As you all may know, the most profitable time for dropshippers is coming around the corner. And what you may not know is that this means that you can hop into dropshipping and start making some serious money right off the bat, as long as you know what niches and what trends that you need to be selling. Because when I say that in just about 2 weeks, everything is about to start selling, I mean it. So right here, as you can see, I'm currently on the Google document that's going to give you the top 3 niches that you need to be selling all throughout Q4 2022. And within this document, I'm going to be giving you some products that are already trending or are going to be trending that fall within those specific niches. And I'll be releasing this entire sheet with all the links to these products so that you can go crazy all Q4 as soon as this video reaches 2,000 likes. So make sure you get to work, smash that like button below, and send it to your friends so that they smash the like button too. What's going on, everyone? My name is AC Hampton. I'm an 8-figure marketer who teaches people how to start, build, and scale profitable online businesses. Now, before we head into the video, each week I give the opportunity to hand out a free one-on-one consulting call to one lucky winner. So if you want the chance to win that, all you have to do is smash that like button below, comment the word dropship with your biggest takeaway from this video. With that being said, if dropshipping and having real success with dropshipping is something that you're looking to do over the next 3 months and forward, and you want personalized one-on-one guidance with myself and my team by your side, head over to my Instagram at AC_Hampton, DM me the word mentorship, or apply with the link down in the description so I can reach out and help you get started with the 3 spots that we have remaining. Now, a common question that is always being asked in the dropshipping world is, what is the best niche to sell? But when it comes down to it, niches that are trending enough to focus on and make you money are always going to shift as seasons shift, which is why I always suggest that you start an e-commerce store as a general store. A general store is what's going to allow you to test out different products that may fall into different niches or seasons, so you can find out a product that's going to work for you without having to design an entire new store every time you want to test out just one new product. And if you don't have a Shopify to start your general store quite yet, or you need to open up another store so that you can start selling these niches, you can click on the link down in my description for a 14-day free trial with no credit card required in the next 3 months, only costing you $1. That is why I have this sheet that I'm going to be giving you all as soon as this video reaches 2,000 likes, because yes, it's going to give you a breakdown of the top 3 niches that you need to be selling, but more importantly, different products that are trending right now or that will be trending that you could be testing within these niches, all on a general store. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first niche that you're going to want to be looking into this Q4 2022 is Halloween. Halloween is a trend and a niche that's going to allow you to hop in and make some serious sales for the next month to month and a half. And trust me, you do not have to just take my word for it. Let's go ahead and look at Google Trends and validate exactly what I'm talking about. So on Google Trends, you can see I typed in the word Halloween and went by the last 5 years. And in the last 5 years, you can see when this product is starting to trend, all the way up into when the season and trend is starting to end. So as you can see, if you're not selling this already, you're late to start selling, but that does not mean that it is too late. Each and every year, right around the end of August towards the beginning of September, you can see that the search volume for this niche skyrockets, which means there's an optimal opportunity for you to take advantage of that trend that's happening and make some serious money. But why just do that? Let's take it a step further so you can see the type of products that you could be selling within this niche and exactly how you're going to find them. So I'm over here on AdSpy and I'm going to throw in some basic filters real quick, and then I'm going to search in the time period that I'm seeing the trend happening on Google Trends with the specific keyword Halloween, so we can see exactly what products were getting the most traction during that time period. So you can see I set the filter of Halloween, I set the filter of September 2nd to October 29th, and again, you can see exactly why I set that filter right here. I did media type as video, orders by likes, technology is just any type of e-commerce store, and then language, English. From here, you can just scroll down and see exactly when these type of products posted last year and what type of engagement that we're getting. I mean, some of these have 7,000 comments, 12,000 shares, 7,000 comments, 4,000 shares. Some of these products went crazy last year. And then that engagement that these advertisements are getting is a really good indication that's going to help you determine what products that you want to be selling actually on your general store. Now, the more engagement that you see within this time span that you're looking for, which in this case would be between September and October, within the comments and shares, is going to be the initial indicator on what products you should be the most interested in while you're actually testing on your store. And on this page, I'm actually seeing one of the products that you need to be selling within this niche, and that's going to be the Halloween skull mask. Let's go ahead and pull up the advertisement and see what we're working with. And as you can see, this is a pretty cool advertisement, and it's a pretty cool product as well. I mean, it definitely has a wow factor, and I know a lot of people would love to buy this product. And as we go to the competitor website, you can see that they're selling this product for $30 before they're even charging shipping, which is a great selling price. As you can see on AliExpress, we're gonna get this item for $11.59 plus 88 cents for shipping, which is going to give you that 2.5x margin that you're looking for and give you a great opportunity to start selling this product right now. I have a couple other products that you could be selling right now within this niche, as you can see with that Google document with all the links attached. So make sure you start smashing that like button below and I'll go ahead and drop it. Now, moving into the next niche that you need to be selling this Q4 is anything kitchen related. And when you think about it, it makes perfect sense. During this holiday season, you typically see that people are cooking a lot more as they're spending more time with friends and family and preparing for the upcoming holidays. So if we take a closer look at the Google Trends data, you're going to see a consistent spike right around that November time each and every year, backing up exactly what I'm telling you. Every year, I mean, you'll see this consistent little spike come up. But another great thing about this niche and this trend is that it always stays pretty consistent throughout the entire year. What this means for you is that although it's in your best interest to start testing out some of those products that fall within that niche right now, depending on what the product is that you decide that you want to start selling, it could turn into something that continues to sell for a lot longer than just 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and so on and so on. So let's head over to AdSpy, get your filters in, and change up the time period of what Google Trends is telling us, and switch up the keyword to kitchen this time instead of Halloween. So now you can see I'm right here on AdSpy. Again, I replaced Halloween with kitchen. I now changed the created between within the time frame that actually goes with this trend. And look at all the different products it's now showing us again. And what do we see right off the bat? A product that was working last year that was in that same time frame and only was being sold for about a month went absolutely crazy with 4,000 comments, 8,800 shares, and 26,000 likes. Now, if we check out the video, you can see that not only is this a product that's fallen in line with that niche that we see is consistently doing well year after year, but it also has an efficiency and problem solving factor behind it, which only has the potential to help you keep consistent sales rolling in on this product even after this trend is over. Now, let's take a look at a product that if I were you, I would be selling throughout this entire November timeframe that's falling within the same niche. And it's this product right here, which is called the vegetable slicer. This vegetable slicer has gone crazy each year around November, and you can see that even within this trend over the last 5 years, the data is not lying. As you can see, I'm on Google Trends with the key term vegetable slicer. Every year, right around this November timeframe, it starts spiking up. I mean, literally every single year. Now, after doing competitive analysis, I'm finding out on average that they're selling this product for right around $47 after shipping. And if we head over here to AliExpress, you can see we're gonna get this item for $17.99 with 60 cents for shipping. This comes out to $18.59. And if we multiply that by 2.5, you can see that we're falling in line again with the margin that we need to be selling this product within. So I'll literally take the $17.99, I'll add 60 cents for shipping, I'll times it by 2.5, and numbers never lie, we're still sitting right in that perfect profit margin. This just ultimately means that this is a product that you can start testing and selling right now. Now, before we head into the final niche that you need to be selling this Q4, if you're having any questions about this video or about how you can get started with your own online store profitably, head over to my Instagram at AC_Hampton, DM me the word YouTube so I can reach out and help out in any way possible, as I'm always here to help. Now, the final and most important niche that you need to be selling within this time period is pretty obvious, but not for reasons that you may be thinking, which is going to be Christmas. Let me tell you, the Christmas niche is going to be a huge game changer for you and your online store over the next 3 months, and that's just simply because it is so broad, has so many things that you can sell under it, which means there's more opportunity than ever. This ranges from actual giftable items that can be sold during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, all the way to kids' toys, Christmas decor, and things that can just make people's lives easier during this time period. Now, what you might be surprised to see is that people have already started looking for products and started selling products for this time period. And let me just prove it to you again. So again, look at Google Trends. And you can see right around the start of September every year is when you really start to see the traction pick up from the search. And if that wasn't enough data, you can see that even last year alone, the same trend is happening every single year. And you can see that even by the last 12 months. So now that you know, again, what trend that you should be looking for and the time period surrounding it, it's time for you to head back over to AdSpy or whatever product research tool that you're using so that you can see exactly what products fall within that niche so that you can get ready to start selling them. So I'm back over here on AdSpy and I did the same thing again, replace kitchen with Christmas and just change the time frame around. And as we continue to scroll down, there's an entire range of products that you can be selling that again span from actual Christmas products to things that people were gifting heavily during this time period. Which means that at this point you have more than enough opportunity and more than enough products that you could be sifting through that you can test and scale on your general store so that you can find one that's working and take it to the moon. But the product that has continued to make its rounds year after year is this product right here. Every single year, this felt Christmas tree goes crazy. I mean, look at this engagement. And when you're seeing products like this working in 2019 and 2020 and 2021 and 2022, this is a great sign that this is something that you can replicate success off of every single year. And why just listen to me again? Let's go ahead and look up the product on Google. And we can see that the price is falling right around $35 to $37 after people are actually charging shipping. And here on AliExpress, you can see that the product is going for right around $10.15. So again, if we multiply that by 2.5, we're going to fall within that profit margin that we need to. Understanding this data that is being presented to you month after month, in order to take advantage of everything that's coming your way this Q4, you need to be ready to fully maximize on all of these opportunities. Along with that, making sure that you have the right platforms in place to test out these different niches and products by creating a general store is going to be the key to testing out more effectively and more efficiently. I hope that you pulled a ton of information from this video and plan to maximize on it all throughout Q4. And don't forget, if you want the document that I have right here giving you some top tier products that trend every single year during these seasons, that you continue to smash that like button below and get this video to 2,000 likes. And before I leave you all to it, you know I cannot forget to announce the free one-on-one consulting call winner from last week's video. And the winner of the free one-on-one consulting call is Leslie Griffith. Leslie, congratulations on winning. Reach out to me on my Instagram at AC_Hampton. Let me know that you won. We can hop on a one-on-one Zoom call, look over your ads, look over your products, and help you out with anything that you have any questions over. And if you want the opportunity to win next week, do not forget that all you have to do is smash that like button below, comment the word dropship with your biggest takeaway from this video. I can't wait to see what you all do over these next 3 months and the success that's going to come from it. I appreciate each and every single one of you. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.
They gon' want a piece when you got it like that. Like Jake said, we gon' spend it, get it right back. Stack that internet money till the site crash. They on IG tryna get a like back. See, they don't talk that talk, they just